Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or allow pop-ups and redirects in the Google Chrome web browser really quickly and without any advanced technical skills or knowledge whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started with this video. So what you want to do is, for obvious reasons, launch the Google Chrome web browser, be it on your laptop or desktop computer. And all you will need to do, guys, is access your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right and select settings from that pop-up menu here. And what you want to do here in your browser settings is select privacy and security from that panel here on the left hand side. And here to the right, head over to site settings. And in the last step, guys, what you want to do is head over to pop-ups and redirects. You will find these here at the bottom of that list or of that menu. And simply decide whether you would like to allow pop-ups and redirects or to allow websites to send you these by clicking on that button here. Or if you don't want to do this, simply leave it at don't allow sites to send up pop-ups or use redirects. It's totally up to you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.